Hello everyone, my name is Alina. I'm a teacher of Department of Foreign Languages and Translation Studies. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how mind mapping science can help you learn a foreign language and memorize all its rules and vocabulary effectively. First, let's take a look at what mind mapping is and why this format works so well for memorizing information. A mind map is a diagram that organizes information in gradient structure around a single central topic or idea. Instead of whole sentences, mind maps consist of keywords, short phrases, and images. Mind maps also use colors and different format options to highlight ideas, make the whole map more memorable. What are the main benefits of learning with mind maps? Mind maps improve memory and learning by helping you transition from collecting dots to connecting dots. By embedding individual pieces of information in a larger context and showing their relationships with other pieces, mind maps help you assign meaning to them while you learn and connect them to your network of existing knowledge. This process helps you to truly internalize and memorize new information long term. The colors and images used in mind maps are easier for our brain to remember than more text. Mind maps help separate key concepts. Mind maps provide space for both breadth and depth, the big picture and its details. Mind maps let you break down information into parts and combine them into a new whole. Mind maps let you move and rearrange pieces of information freely. How to create a mind map? There are 3 basic steps to creating a mind map. Start with a central topic or idea in the center. Create category nodes around it connected by branches from the central idea. Add individual items branching off of these category nodes. Why mind maps work better? Mind maps provide a much more practical approach for dealing with large quantities of vocabulary, as you can easily create themed collections and add new words to them wherever they thematically fit. The gradient structure perfectly reflects the networks that form in our brain to connect individual ideas with each other. How to effectively memorize vocabulary with mind maps. When you first start learning a foreign language, one of the biggest challenges is getting all new vocabulary down. You might not need to know thousands of words to get a basic conversation going, but if you want to become fluent in a foreign language, there is no way around memorizing a lot of new words. You might be familiar with this kind of vocabulary notebook, which is widely used in school to this day. So what's wrong with this format? There are 2 big problems with these notebooks like this. First of all, the pages are incredibly boring and monotonous. There are no colors to emphasize things and no icons or pictures to help our brains remember. This makes it much harder for the learner to memorize the vocabulary. The second problem is that this learner note-taking format makes it possible to create themed collections of words such as food, clothing, pleasantries, or cognates, and add to these collections whenever you learn a new word. Instead, your pages are filled with lists of mostly unrelated words, with no way for you to make out any connections or relationships between them. How to memorize grammar rules with mind maps. Mind maps are a great format to collect all grammar rules in a central place. The biggest advantage of such grammar maps is the clear overview and structure they offer. Using grammar mind maps, you will be able to view all rules, exceptions, and examples related to a specific topic at a glance. And just like we saw in the vocabulary mind maps above, you will be able to add links to the branches in your map, connecting them to other related mind maps you have created. The next example is mind map about the different types of nouns in the English language. Note that each branch offers a definition of the noun type as well as examples. So in conclusion, the study reveals that the use of mind mapping technique in language teaching provides an active role for students, while a teacher becomes a facilitator and a coordinator helping the students. The most significant results of this study have shown that mind maps are useful for solving problems, brainstorming ideas, learning new vocabulary, taking notes, improving reading skills, preparing presentations. Mind mapping technique can be successfully implemented in the language classroom, providing creative and available tool for students, educators, and researchers. Thanks for watching.